Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 30 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, so the app which will provide you with a keyboard. It can be messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And then let's enter the settings which are in this upper panel. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, in my case, I've got only one language applied, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. Of course, you do not have to scroll just like I do right now. You can simply enter the search icon and enter the name of the language, and after finding, simply tap on it. Now let's pick the region, and here we can pick the keyboard layout. It depends on the language. Sometimes you will be able to set even up to 7 different layouts. So let's pretend I want this one. Let me mark this option and untick this one because I want the keyboards to differ between each other. And let's tap on Done. As you can see, the Urdu language has been applied, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we will have basically two differences. Only one is visible, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So after tapping on it, we can easily switch the layouts. And here we can also see second difference, so the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So as you can see, I've got Spain and the Urdu language, and I've just shown you how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language and set only one of your choice. So because you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added, of course it depends, but usually you just want to have one. So let me enter the settings, tap on the languages, and first of all let me add English keyboard because I want to use it. So let me tap on English. It can be this one, so simply tap on Done. As you can see, we've got 3 different languages, so now we have to tap on Edit, and now we can mark the languages we want to remove. So let's tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got only English left, so the language I wanted to set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.